Hello everyone, here we introduce you to our expandable houses. This is how the expandable house looks like when it is fully expanded. This is a 20-foot expandable house. Very large capacity when expanded. Next we look at its appearance. Very clean and fashionable. Now let's look inside it. The rooms are very large, with bathrooms, bedrooms, etc. Workers checking the details of the house. Finally, the waterproof test. Simulation of rain scenarios. See, very good waterproof effect. Shipping. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our products, please contact us.